Mini School for Kids.
A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for God. God. H for horse. Horse. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jug. Jug. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nest. Nest. O for owl. Owl. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for quil. Quil. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sun. Sun. T for turtle. Turtle. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for whale. Whale. X for xmas-tree. Xmas-tree. Y for yacht. Yacht. Z zebra. Zebra.
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Mini School for Kids. Please like, share and subscribe.